Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here with the 142-piece Precision STREBITO toolkit, which, as you can tell, I have just a couple precision tools in my life. So let me take this, I'm gonna put it on the toolbox, we're gonna open it up, go through it, take a look at what's inside of it, why they're there, and I'm gonna give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 based on the quality and the usefulness of the tools, and you can make a decision on purchasing it or not, but let me bring you up close so we can see what's in here and talk about it. All right, let's take a look, see what we have in here. Okay. Wow, there are a lot. You can see they're definitely... All right, there's a lot going on here, and I have to say it is really impressive so far. Here is the socket driver for most of these smaller sockets. Let's see, you know, you just take, let's say you need a size 0 Phillips head. You put it in there, it's magnetic, it's not gonna fall out. That's really nice. And then on the other hand, this is the driver for larger ones. Let's find a larger one so I can show you how it works. And there are so many. Let's go with a Phillips Head 3. Let's see. Magnetic also. And there are just about everything you can imagine socket-wise. Some of these I have no idea what they are. You got your new standard Phillips heads, your star heads, square ones, which are really helpful. This is, oh, these are for these like, I don't know if you ever see them in the bathroom. They use it to put together public things in public, so you can't, it's got like 2 holes in the head of it and nothing else. So you stick those 2 in and twist. That's cool. I really have not had one of those before in my life. These are some like chisels, more sockets, more Phillips head. It is just incredible. Look at these like little sockets. Look how small the nut would have to be for that. That is just crazy cool. It really has, honestly, so I don't do a whole lot of electronics work. I'm more of a race car kind of guy. Look at the size of that. I have never seen a nut with that small of a hole, but obviously if you're working on electronics, those things are going to be really important. These are plastic like little pry bars, so you can pry things open without scratching them. Let me get it back in here. Ooh, a really nice set of tweezers. Brushes. This is an adjustable, you know, for putting the sockets on and you need to get into some weird position, you can use that. Nikki would tell you we would call this like a booger picker, but it's also a pointer and also a scraper for things. A bigger scraper. These are dental mirrors, like if you need to see something. Very cool, very interesting. Oh, all kinds of cool stuff. And I saw in here, you know, when you're working on electronics, you need to make sure you're grounded so that you don't short anything out. So this is the lanyard to do that. I have to say, this is about the most complete set of electronic tools, you know, for working on a computer, for working on an iPhone, for working on, like I said, like a little RV car, electric car, any toys, any of that kind of stuff. This is incredible for this, and I happen to know it is very reasonably priced. This packaging is super nice. It'll stay nice for a very long time. I gotta say, this is easily a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.